During opening remarks, the defense attorney actually turns around to the jury and agrees that there are certain facts that are undisputed, and the majority of facts that I have told the jury about are clearly undisputed. Does that help him or hurt him during the course of his defense? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Well, does it help him or hurt him to agree that there are certain undisputed facts? Well, I'll tell you this much. It will help him because it will help the jury understand that there are not a lot of issues to be decided in this particular case. In fact, it might even make him look better. Why? Because he's not disputing a lot of the things we're arguing. He's not claiming or taking issue with a number of the claims that we're bringing. Instead, he's turning around and saying, you know what, I agree with Mr. Oginski on this point. I agree with him on this point, and I agree with him on this point. But you better be sure that the defense attorney, if he's going to take that approach, is certainly going to come to a point where he's going to turn to the jury and say, but here's where I don't agree. And now he's going to lay out his entire defense. So, does it help him or hurt him? The reality is that by agreeing that there are undisputed facts and that he agrees with the majority of the facts that we are claiming in the case, it's going to help him. Why? Because it eliminates any issues for the jury to resolve, and now he's going to get them to focus directly on one or two key points, key defenses that he's going to bring up in the entire case. And I guarantee you that he's going to be relying on those key defenses, whether it's one, two, or three different defenses, to show to the jury that his position is right and ours is not. So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process here in the state of New York in cases involving medical malpractice, involving accidents, and involving wrongful death. This happens every single case. The defense has to make a strategic decision about whether or not to agree with many of the points that we're trying to make in this particular case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions of your own, and if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.